Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's paint with me video, I want to share with you how to paint this lovely and magical night sky with mountain illustration. First, I will light up the candle to set up the mood and just some sort of give me a calming vibe while I'm painting. And as usual, I will take out my painting materials. So if you're interested in what I'm using, a link will be in the video description below. I'm going to start with a light pencil sketch. I'm just drawing a very typical sort of triangle mountain shape and a circle for the moon. Today, I want to try a new technique that I just learned from a class on Skillshare, and the artist who teaches the class is Anna Victoria. I've been watching all of her classes, learned so much from her, and been so inspired by her work. I'll link her Instagram below this video so you can go and check her out. So basically this is called layering techniques, and I will apply this technique to paint the moon. I'm starting with a very light wash of color. This is the mixture black and blue. And while waiting for the first layer to be dry, in the meantime, you will see that I will start painting the mountain. I use two colors for the mountain. One is burnt sienna and the other is dark purple. And to have different value, I'm just have to adjust the amount of water that I put into each pigment. Now the first layer of the moon is completely dry. I will come back and continue applying the second wash of the same mixture of colors but with more pigment than the first time. And I'm just gonna keep repeating the process until I reach the full circle, as you will see on the screen. So for this painting, you will see that I'm just kind of go back and forth between the moon and the mountain so that I don't have to wait too long for those layers to be dry. And now back to the mountain. I use the dark purple for the shadow to create contrast. I want the top of the mountain to be light so that it can stand out against the dark sky. And the shadow mostly lies in the middle or the bottom part of the mountain. These two colors, burnt sienna and purple, go well with each other and just reminded me of the desert color themed. I actually got inspired by one of the photos that I found on Pinterest, as you can see on the corner of the screen, and the color is absolutely beautiful. So if you want to find color theme inspiration, go on Pinterest. They have lots of photos and images to suit whatever you're looking for. Now I'm moving on to paint the sky. I will use three colors: black, purple, and blue. I switched to my size 12 brush so that it can fill the space faster, but it also has a pointed tip to help me go around the edges where the sky overlaps the mountain line. This part should not be too difficult for you. You just need to go a little bit slower when doing the edges. Here I am using watercolor for the sky, but you can also substitute with either wash or acrylic to make it bold and saturated. I love using watercolor because of the unique texture which you can hardly achieve with any other mediums. Since watercolor tends to dry lighter, so you may have to apply many layers to achieve the darkness you prefer. And now I am going to use whitewash to add some clouds, and to make the clouds look more 3D dimensional, you should also apply the black paint to add some shadows, and you can also use damp brush to blend out the whitewash so that you can make the clouds look more blending with the sky. And now I wanted to try something different, so I grabbed my gel pen in gold and silver to add some sort of sparkling texture for the mountain. I think the gold pen doesn't do much here, but the silver definitely stands out, so I decided to use it to outline the mountain light as well. And finally, if you know me, I love splattering technique, and this is a fun and easy way to add stars, and it also can help brighten up the sky as well. You can also paint some star shapes just like what I'm doing to add variety, and can also use gel pen as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The painting is completely done at this stage. It just depends on how much you want to add stars into your painting. I think this project is really easy, fun, and suitable for everyone. I hope it will inspire you to go and start painting in your sketchbook. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video, and I hope you have a wonderful week.